Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Apple logo blinking on your iPhone. All right, let's begin. If your iPhone is stuck with a blinking Apple logo, the first thing to try is a force restart. If you have an iPhone 8 or newer, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button until the screen turns completely black and the Apple logo appears again. Once you see the Apple logo, release the button and allow your iPhone to boot normally. If the force restart doesn't work the first time, don't give up. Repeat the same button sequence a few more times. In some cases, it may take several attempts before the iPhone successfully restarts. This process only refreshes your iPhone software and does not erase your personal data. Your photos, videos, apps, messages, and other files will remain safe after the restart. If your iPhone continues to blink the Apple logo after multiple attempts, the next step is to connect it to a Mac or Windows PC and update iOS using Finder or iTunes. Updating the software can resolve system issues without deleting your data. So that's basically how you can fix the Apple logo blinking on your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.